What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to Top Crypto. And today I'm gonna show you how to buy NFTs in OpenSea by using metamask. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's begin. First step is to search metamask.io and download the metamask in your Chrome extension. I recommend using MetaMask because it's easy to use. You can also download MetaMask in iOS and Android devices. But I must prefer to use in Chrome extension because it's easy to use. Install it, and you will set up the account for MetaMask. After you download your MetaMask wallet in your Chrome extension, it's time to create account in MetaMask. Just click Get Started and create a wallet. After that, follow the process to make an account. First, make your password, and this is important code that you need to see. Don't share it with others, it's very important, and it says 12 words or phrase. You need write the 12 secret recovery phrase in your paper. If you lost your MetaMask account, secret recovery phrase is the way to recover your MetaMask account. Next step, choose the words in order by using your secret recovery phrase, and click confirm, and you're done making a MetaMask account. To buy NFTs, Ethereum is used to buy them. If you don't have Ethereum and you don't have money in your MetaMask account, just go to Binance and buy Ethereum there and transfer it in your MetaMask wallet. You need to double the money in your MetaMask because you need it to pay gas fees. After you transfer your money in the MetaMask wallet, it's time to go in OpenSea, and here is the website of OpenSea. Go to Profile to create an account for OpenSea, click Sign in MetaMask, connect your MetaMask account. If you are first time to do it, we'll sign you an agreement. After you sign it, you will have an account in OpenSea, and all NFT you buy will show here in your collection. Next, how to buy NFTs and find a collection. For example, I search suspicious chameleons, so if you're looking to buy NFT, search here in OpenSea, and it will show up in the front of you. You click the NFT, click Buy Now, click the Checkout, and automatically connect to MetaMask wallet, and it show how much to pay this NFT including fees. Confirm the payment and you have NFT. And that's all how to make MetaMask account and buy NFTs in OpenSea. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.